Foundation Day, 16th Foundation Day of Meghalaya Film Maker Association. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome on stage with a round of applause. Heartiest congratulations once again to the winner of the Best Actor in Negative Role. So, Martin, please here from the award of the Best Actor, Best Supporting Actor male goes to Golden Star Suchong. Jury's choice, Golden Star Suchong from Raidi. Golden Star Suchong from the movie Raidi for winning the award of the Best Supporting Actor male. Just congratulations to Sir Golden Star Suchong. Could you come think with us? I can see you even in there. Congratulations. Your award of the Best Supporting Actor male jury's choice. Well, the Best Supporting Actor male. Could you come think with us? Movie to me. Just congratulations once again to Sampulang Maulong. Yang ke THUP. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, jury's choice, Best Supporting Actor goes to Bala. For winning the award of the Best Supporting Actor female. Ioh award to the Best Supporting Actor Female of the Pynbna 16th Foundation Day 2026. Dinami to company of a drum and the best song from the movie Best Supporting Actor Female Platform Choice. United Company, but jump on! Come on, everybody! Just congratulations once again to Miss Sherilin song from the movie Best Supporting Actor Female. Ladies and gentlemen, and the award of the Best Supporting Actor Female Audience Poll goes to Betsinga Manu from the movie What Now? Please come forward. Betsinga Manu from the movie What Now for winning the Best Supporting Actor Female of the Pynbna Foundation Day, 16th Foundation Day 2026. Now, would you help me with a drum and Meghalaya? Betsinga Manu from the movie Audience Poll for the movie What Now? Just congratulations once again. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, request Sir Shri Sherilin Khonhwar ITS Secretary and his Sherilin to please come forward and do the honor of presenting the award of the Best Actor Male. And the nominees are Kyrteng Jong Nefilma honor the crown and the Jong. It's a Raksha singing. And if you have these socials here, ladies and gentlemen, from the movie Marsien Ioh. It's a Raksha singing. And Sunny Bosco Chanel from the movie Please come forward and receive your award for winning the Best Acting Film 2026. Just congratulations to Sunny Bosco Chanel. Best Actor Male Audience Score goes to Sherilin Khonhwar. Congratulations to our actor Sherilin Khonhwar for winning the Best Actor Male from the movie Khonhwar. Now you can help me. Let's give it a round of applause. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, the queen of the screen, talent, emotion, and pure magic. And the nominees are ladies and gentlemen, the Best Actor Female election of the jury's choice. The award of the Best Actor Female goes to Yairi Sumer from the movie Khonhwar. Yairi Sumer from the movie Khonhwar, jury's choice. Just congratulations to Yairi Sumer for winning the Best Actor Female jury's choice. From the movie Riley. Just congratulations to Marsien Ioh for winning the Best Actor Female. Okay, Marsien Ioh. Just congratulations to Marsien Ioh for winning the Best Actor Female from the movie Riley. And the award of the Best Actor Female Audience Poll. Another time. Sherilin Khonhwar. siya ngayon. Ikaw siya ngayon. Kakini ko lang yan. Magkantong yung email. Bakit gusto po rin nga magkapuat ko po. Di ba ako gusto ko ka dyan ang action?
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll move on to the award of the visionary, the captain of the ship, the one who says action and cut. And ladies and gentlemen, the nominees of the best director are ladies and gentlemen, jing Kyrteng Jong jogi momento, iduna momento de ngin ay pagdagisaj yaki best director. Ladies and gentlemen, the award of the best director, Nilechana jury's choice, goes to any guess? Yes, Danny Lingo! Congratulations to Danny Lingo for winning the Best Director Jury's Choice from the movie called United THUP the movie called Congratulations once again to the winner of Best Director Jury's Choice, Danny Lingo. And next up, ladies, audience choice, audience poll goes to yes, number Duki. Congratulations to the winner of the Best Director this year from the movie Duki. Nakikita THUP director Duki Meghalaya is the award of the Best Director of the Meghalaya 16 Foundation in 2026. Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, the award of the Best Director Platform Choice goes to
Section.
Nang Arkatin. Yes, Section 7. Heartfelt congratulations to Section 7 for winning the Best Director Award of the Meghalaya 16 Foundation Day 2026. Heartfelt congratulations once again to Section 7. Sir is tired, but we still need you on stage, sir. Okay. You don't come with sir, we still need you on stage. Significantly enriched the film industry of Meghalaya. Beyond the world of cinema, he is also widely known as the CEO of Ripoy's Superstar, a platform that has discovered, nurtured and inspired countless young talents across the district. His outstanding performance has recently earned him one of the highest recognition in the region, the prestigious Best Actor Northeast Award at the Bragg Cine Award 2026. Bringing immense pride not only to Meghalaya but to the entire Northeast. His journey reflects passion, perseverance and deep commitment to both the film fraternity and society. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great privilege to invite Sir Sherilin Khonhwar, Vice President of the Meghalaya Flim Maker Association, winner of Best Actor Notice Award at Marsien Ioh Award 2026. Kadi Pynbna kabani baro nisngo melong bat nisngo crowd aga kapor agaba isa ilayo ban Korea ka kusnam Best Actor napo award napo ka Marsien Ioh Awards 2026. And I get to talk to you about Japa, rather than award of the Marsien Ioh Award 2026 launches in the Kadeka felicitation, but the felicitate Meghalaya juga Meghalaya Flim Maker Association. And I get to talk to you about Japa, and but I said, Balawan Rock, Burong, Meghalaya, right? You can already see the rock away. Just congratulations once again, sir. May we have a few words from you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I get to talk to you about Japa, honorable two guests to me, Sherilin Khonhwar Marsien Secretary, and DC. We were making you stand for such a very long time, and we really believe that, sir, you will always stand for the society and especially for the film industry. Thank you so much, sir.